Something unprecedented is unfolding in our skies, and yet the mainstream media remains eerily silent. The third interstellar visitor ever discovered, 3IO Atlas, carries an estimated 33 billion tons of mass, a figure so massive it defies everything we thought we knew about comets. It resists every physical force that should send it tumbling through space. While NASA and the European Space Agency quietly scramble behind the scenes, the public is left in the dark. Why are theories about planetary seeding, alien artifacts, or even unknown technologies being brushed aside? And why is this colossal anomaly being hidden in the shadows? Over 4,000 precise measurements from 227 observatories worldwide have tracked Atlas's motion with unprecedented accuracy. The expectation was simple: if it was losing mass through outgassing, its path should shift, even slightly. But the data refused to change. The Hubble Space Telescope and James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, confirmed the comet's activity, recording jets of gas shooting into space at hundreds of meters per second. Yet, despite losing nearly 150 kilograms of mass per second, Atlas shows almost zero acceleration, less than 15 meters per day squared. For a comet this active, that's not just strange, it's physically impossible. Astronomers ran every scenario imaginable. Could the jets be perfectly balanced? Could the nucleus be so porous that the gas escapes evenly in all directions? The comet's shape and data patterns said no. Every test, every variable, every simulation led to the same conclusion. Atlas is either incredibly dense or made of something unknown. When the final numbers came in, they pointed to a staggering mass, 33 billion metric tons, more than 5 times the mass of Mount Everest. Objects this massive aren't supposed to exist as interstellar visitors. Population models predict something like Atlas should appear once in a century, if ever. And yet, here it is, gliding silently through our solar system, and almost no one is talking about it. In 2017, the interstellar object, Oumuamua, dominated global headlines. News outlets ran hundreds of stories speculating about alien probes and cosmic mysteries. But now, with Atlas, a body far larger and stranger, coverage has nearly vanished. Only a handful of short articles buried deep in science blogs mention it. Meanwhile, NASA and ESA have quietly scheduled Hubble, JWST, and KEK observatory sessions dedicated to Atlas. Proposal logs show an extraordinary coordination of telescope time, all arranged to track its approach. Yet none of this has reached mainstream news. Editors claim the story lacks novelty, but the silence feels deliberate. As the press turns away, independent creators and researchers have stepped in, fueling a storm of speculation. Among the boldest theories comes from Harvard's Avi Loeb, who has suggested Atlas might not be natural at all, perhaps a probe or artifact from an advanced civilization. He points to the comet's mass, its unshakable trajectory, and its strange nickel-rich, iron-poor composition, something never before seen in any known comet. The ratio hints at either an unknown natural process or possibly industrial refinement. Others pose Atlas could be a planetary seed, a cosmic vessel carrying the raw ingredients of worlds across galaxies. As Atlas continues its journey, it's heading toward a close approach with Jupiter in 2026, a moment that could decide whether it's ejected from the solar system or captured in orbit. Yet, astonishingly, there are no public risk assessments, no planetary defense briefings, and no official explanations. Behind closed doors, simulations are running and data is being locked away. The facts are undeniable. 3IO Atlas, with its 33 billion ton mass and almost zero recoil despite intense outgassing, is one of the most anomalous objects ever observed. Its nickel-heavy iron light signature defies known chemistry. Its trajectory challenges the laws of motion, and its muted coverage raises unsettling questions about transparency in science. As this interstellar enigma moves closer to Mars and Earth, one truth grows clearer: something extraordinary is happening beyond Neptune. And the world deserves to know. Until NASA and ESA release their findings, we're left with one haunting question: why the silence?